ओम सर्वाय नमः। असतश्च सतश्चैव सर्वस्य प्रभवाप्ययात् सर्वस्य सर्वदा ज्ञानात् सर्वमेनं प्रचक्षते. This shloka from Mahabharata Udyoga Parva says, the Lord is named Sarva as He knows the entire universe, creates, protects, and dissolves it. Sarvah Purnaguno Yataha. The Lord is named Sarva as He is full of all the attributes. Srishta Pata cha Samharta Niyanta cha Prakashita Yataha Sarvasya Tenaham Sarvosmi Trishibhis Stutaha. This is a shloka from Narada Purana, which says, the Lord creates, protects, and destroys this world. He gives knowledge to all the animate beings and controls all the animate and inanimate things. So He is named Sarva. Tvadadhinam yatas sarvam atas sarvo bhavanite. This shloka from Padma Purana gives another meaning to the word Sarva. This entire universe is dependent upon the omnipotent Lord. So He is named Sarva. Sarvantaryamakatvattu Sarvanama Janardanaha. The Lord is there within all the animate and inanimate things, and movable and immovable things as well. So He is named Sarva. Sarvam samapnoshi tatoshi sarvaha. This is a shloka from Bhagavad Gita. O Lord, You are named Sarva as You pervade everything in this world, says Arjuna. So the Lord is named Sarva in many ways.